What is going on, guys? It is Dana back again with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about one of the most overpowered credit cards there is. This is the AMEX Gold Card. I use this card every single day. It has a bunch of amazing benefits that I think that if you hit every single one of these benefits, you're going to get your value back tenfold. This card is absolutely huge. So without further ado, let me go ahead and tell you about it. So the AMEX Gold Card costs an annual fee of $325 a year. You're allowed to do 5 additional cards here at $35 each per year. And the card comes in 2 different variants. It comes in a rose gold and a gold variant. Both are exactly the same. They're just different coloring. That's the only thing that's different with it. The other thing that this card currently has is a bonus, a spending bonus when you first get it. And it might be different at the time that you watch this video. But as of right now, if you spend $2,000 within the first 6 months, you get 10,000 AMEX points. That is equivalent to around $100 worth of value. Unless you cash that to cash back, that's around $60. So it's not really that good. Now, if we scroll down here, this is the best thing about the card is when it comes to the points and the credits that we're going to be going over. So just on the points alone, you're going to earn 4x points back at restaurants, up to $50,000 a year in purchases. And then you're going to earn 4x points on groceries at supermarkets, up to $25,000 a year in purchases. The big thing when it comes to the groceries and using their cards at supermarkets, this does not include wholesale clubs like BJ's or Costco. That is going to be at the standard 1%. So if you're planning someone that goes out a lot to eat or goes to the grocery store a lot, this card is going to earn you a lot of points in those areas. And the other benefits that this card has is 3x points back on flights that are booked directly with the airline or through Amex Travel. Then it also has 2x points back on prepaid hotels through Amex Travel or other travel purchases. And then there's 1x points on everything else. So just that alone, there's a lot of points earning potential, even with the flat 1% rate. If you use this card every single day on everything you buy, you're going to be earning a ton of points that you can use for flights, cash back, and buying different things with them points. Now, the credits. This can actually get you your annual fee completely paid for just by using these credits and taking advantage of them. So the first thing you get is a $120 Uber cash. Now, how this credit actually works is you get $10 a month. All you have to do is link your Amex Gold Card to any Uber app, whether that's Uber or Uber Eats. Now, there's 3 things that you can do with this credit. Number 1, you can get groceries. Number 2 is you can get Uber rides. And number 3 is you can do dining. So you can have food brought with you. You can do basically Uber delivery to your house, and you can do food. Now, the biggest way to take advantage of this credit is not to have the food delivered or groceries delivered. You can actually go on the app and you can choose pickup, and you can order from whatever select restaurant you want and spend that $10. And guess what? You're not going to have to pay much in fees. And number 2 is you're not going to have to pay a tip. And a lot of times places like Firehouse Subs or Chipotle or Moe's, all these places actually have BOGO deals where you can actually get 2 meals out of that $10 credit every single month. Now, there is some other credits that are related to food that this card has. This card is a big food powerhouse. So you get $84 in Dunkin' credit every single year. That is in the form of $7 a month in rebates. So how this credit works is, number 1, you have to enroll. It says enrollment required. So what you do is you go on your Amex app, you go to the benefits section, you select your card, and you find the Dunkin' credit and you enroll. Now, with this, when you go to Dunkin' and you swipe your card, as long as you spend $7, you're going to get that $7 back. If you spend $5, you're going to get $5 back. The best way to take advantage of this is to download the Dunkin' app and get a virtual gift card on there. And basically, it doesn't actually come to you in person. You can top up that gift card every single month with $7, and you will get that rebate. As of right now, I have $45 saved. Number 1, this is going to save you from having to spend exactly $7. But number 2 is, if there's any ways to change anything or you don't want to use it directly at that time, you can save that for another event where you want to buy donuts for work or maybe go get breakfast or do other things of that nature. Now, make sure you enroll in that. Now, the other credits that it has 2 more dining credits here. It has a $100 Resi credit. This is another one you have to enroll on the Amex app. This is basically in a form of $50 in statement credits for the semi-annually. So for the first 6 months, you get $50. And for the last 6 months of the year, you also get $50. Now, the best way to use this credit is simply to at a Resi restaurant. Now, how you find these restaurants is either downloading the Resi app or going on the web and finding what apps are out there. Now, it will show you a map of whatever location you pull up, and it will show you every single restaurant. In my case, I was able to get 2 meals out of this eating by myself. But for most of y'all out there, if you're going on a date night, that is at least one date night every 6 months, completely paid for if you don't buy overpriced food and you go to a reasonably priced restaurant. Now, there is one more dining credit. This credit can be powerful, but a lot of people waste it. And this is something that you should definitely take advantage of. This is another one you have to enroll for. It is a $120 dining credit. Now, it is specifically at a couple places, and this is why people waste it. It goes to Grubhub, the Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, and Five Guys. Now, this is $10 every single month, but it's to these specific locations. So if you go to Cheesecake Factory or Five Guys and you eat by yourself, you're going to be spending close to $20 at least, if not more. The best way to do this is actually to use it on Grubhub. And if you did not know, a little side tangent here, if you have Amazon Prime, you actually get Grubhub Plus or whatever their premium version of that is, where you pay less fees. So you can go pick up food or have it delivered to your house and not have to pay a lot of money, number one. But number two is this could be a free meal for you right away every single month. Now, the other benefits that this card has when it comes to credits is they give you a $100 property credit at the hotel collection through Amex Travel. You have to do a minimum of 2 nights that you have to book. So when you go on Amex Travel, you're going to find a lot of hotels that are in the hotel collection, and they're going to be very expensive. Now, this is a $100 credit to be used at the property when it comes to eligible charges like things to your room or maybe spas, but it is very different based on location, and it could be different. One you might get the $100, one you might get $50. So it is very stringent on that. Now, the bad thing about this credit is this is a credit that's most likely going to go to waste unless you're going to places like Vegas where they have cheaper hotels, because then it's worthwhile getting them 2 nights. Or maybe if there's somewhere you're already going and you're going to a place that's in the hotel collection to get that credit. Now, there's actually some credits that people, or some perks of this card that people don't know about. Number one, it has no foreign transactions fees. And number two, it has a bunch of purchase protections that you probably didn't know about. So you get, number one, you get extended warranty. So how that works is if you buy an item and it has a warranty on it, less than 5 years or less, Amex will give you a 1-year warranty on that item, up to $10,000 per purchase, up to $50,000 per year, which is pretty freaking nice. So you can go out there and you could go buy a fridge or anything else, and if it breaks, Amex will cover it. This covers lost, damage, and stolen items. And same thing when it comes to 90-day purchase protection. They have the same thing when it goes to that, $10,000 per purchase, $50,000 per year. It also has some amazing travel benefits that you probably didn't know about either. So it has a global assist hotline. So if you get into an emergency where you need emergency cash wires, misses luggage, or you need referrals when it comes to legal circumstances, if you're more than 100 miles from the house, Amex, if you call the card number on the back of your thing, they're going to help you out 100%, help you get connected to the right people to get things figured out. Now, they do have a baggage insurance plan. Basically, when you purchase that ticket or the bag, basically you purchase baggage fees or whatever you do through an airline or a train or whoever you are with, you get $1,250 for a check bag and insurance and $1,250 for a carry-on and $500 for a check bag, which is pretty nice. Now, that is a maximum of $10,000 per trip and luggage. And it also has one extra big perk here. This is car rental, loss, damage, and insurance. If you are going to be using your card on a rental car, this is something that you might want to know. If you go and you currently get a rental car, they're going to give you a rental insurance thing you're going to have to sign or decline. Now, if you sign it, number one, you pay a little bit more money and you get covered by insurance through their company. If you decline it, how the credit card works on this, your primary on your vehicle insurance covers first. So the insurance you currently have in the vehicle at your house or whatever you daily drive, that is going to cover your rental car, anything that is above that. So let's say you wrecked a car and it costs more than what that covers. The AMEX Gold Card is going to come in and cover the rest here. And it has some additional benefits here and some other perks that the card has, but I'm not going to go that in detail on the things because this is the biggest piece here. If you take advantage of these credits, number one alone, and continue to use this card at number one supermarkets and restaurants, you are going to make up that $325 annual fee lickety split. And this card will honestly, if I didn't get this card, and if I was going to get any card, this was going to be the number one card that I would choose if I was choosing a premium card. Now, if you got anything on this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Have a nice day and peace out.